Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the new Warp Align tools which were introduced in version 13 of MPanel Production. We'll start with a boat cover model where the mesh warp directions are purposefully misaligned. To demonstrate the new tools, we'll create 3 identical copies of this set of meshes. Let's start by examining the warp direction of the first copy. We'll use the Color Mark Mesh Edges tool, then delete old to see the results. As we can see from the color coding, blue represents the bottom edge, yellow is the top, green is the right, and red is the left. This coding visually shows us the warp direction, which is from the bottom to the top for each mesh. Now let's move to the second group of meshes. This time we're going to use the Align Mesh Warp with the Z-axis tool. Notice at the bottom left corner of the screen we can see X is to the right, Y is up the page, and Z is pointing out of the screen. With the second group of meshes selected, we run the tool and delete old. Then we rerun the Color Mark Mesh Edges tool to see the results. You'll see the lower edge of each mesh is typically blue, indicating the warp has been reoriented, though this depends slightly on the mesh angle in 3D space. Now for the third copy of meshes, we'll also include a sample green mesh, which will act as a warp alignment reference. With both the set of meshes and the green mesh selected, we'll run the Align Mesh Warp with Green Mesh tool, and then delete old. Then once again, rerun the Color Mark Mesh Edges tool. Now we can see the warp direction of each mesh matches that of the sample green mesh, a fast and consistent way to standardize the direction across multiple panels. These new Warp Align tools give you powerful visual control over mesh direction, helping streamline your patterning workflow and improve fabric layout accuracy. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact support@mpanel.com.